Yo, gather round, it's time for a tale, a playful adventure, let's ride without fail. Hit the trails, got my crew on the line, bikes revving up, we're feeling so fine. So what a day on the trails, can't you see Steve's obsession? Yeah, it's clear as can be, flashing left, flashing right, caught in a show. His clutch was like, nope, I'm not in the flow. I can rock, pushing limits, he's showing off skills, but that poor clutch, oh, it just couldn't chill. Grinding gears, like the world's on parade, till it finally gave in and the excitement just frayed. He was a character, on a mission real bright, wheeling his bike into the sunshine's light. Drinks in our hands, we're cooling it down, while he's giving his ride a suntan. What a clown. What a day on the trails, laughter fills the air, with my buddies all around, we haven't a care. Bikes and chaos, a little bit of strife, but this is our joy, living the bike life. Instead of the ride, Janet took a wise turn. One look at Phil's heat, she had much to learn. Shopping bags in hand, off she went with flair. Probably the best choice, cause who needs this scare? While we revved and we roared, she found bliss in the mall. Now caught in the madness, standing tall through it all. Back on the trails, we laughed till we cried, with Steve's failed clutch and Phil's bike pride. Oh, chaotic fun, every twist and groove, with each little bump we just continue to move. Sunshine and friendship is what it's about. On this wild ride, there's never a doubt. What a day on the trails, laughter fills the air, with my buddies all around, we haven't a care. Bikes and chaos, a little bit of strife, but this is our joy, living the bike life. Riding together through ups and downs, with friends on this journey wearing crowns. Between the sun and the dirt, we found just the way. It's a bike-loving family, thriving on play. So here's to our trails, those moments we chase, with memories made and a smile on each face. Another brilliant outing with laughs inside. Wouldn't trade a second, oh what a